Okay, I had a student ask about this question on the Chapter 6-7 assignment, so I thought I'd go through it. $7,348.25 was the amount required to pay off a loan after 14 months. If the loan was at 8.25% per annum, simple interest, how much of the total was interest? Okay, so we know the amount to pay off the loan in 14 months, so that's the amount in the future. We know the interest rate and the term, so we need to determine how, in order to find out how much was interest, the first thing we need to do is find out how much was the loan at the beginning, how much was principal. So you use the present value formula, and I'm just going to switch over here, so I've made it a bit bigger. So you're basically have the principal. We know that the future value of the loan is, what did I click on there? The future value of the loan is $7,348.25. That's what it's worth in 14 months. We know R is the interest rate, 8.25%, and the time is 14 months, so it's 14 over 12. So doing this, we can get the present value of the loan at $6,703.08. That's the present value. So the loan, if you think about it in logical terms, then the loan was given. The person received $6,703.08. It had to be paid back in 14 months, and the amount that was to be paid back was $7,348.25. So the difference between the amount that has to be paid back less what was received, that amount is your interest. So your interest then is the amount they have to pay back in 14 months less the amount that they actually received right now, which is $645.17, and that is your answer there. That is how much interest there was.